Have you realized half a year of 2021 has already passed? So it's the time to summarize and go over all the things. For you actually we are summarizing what products were the most popular ones in the last year, and how many customers do we have, how many containers did we ship. So today's topic would be the rank of dining chair and bars too. I think the rank could be a reference to our customers and also a trend of the furniture field. Of course, the rank includes old items like the chili, where the chili squares were dumpling. These old items are also very popular. So during the live stream, I won't mention all the old items, but at the end of today's video, you will see a small clips of all the old items, so you can get to know about all the products you like. So let's get started for the rank of dining chairs. The first chair I want to introduce is Beta. The sales volume of this chair in last year is around 200,000 pieces, and it ranks number 4 among all the dining chairs. So the top 3 are all the old items, so it means this chair is very good among all the new chairs. Of course, this armchair has a good price and is good looking, so I think that's the most important reason that our customers were buying. As an armchair, the good price attracts most of the customers, because as we all know, we are more interested on a good price. Secondly, it's more comfortable to put an armchair together with a dining table, because we can put our arm on the armrest, so it will bring more relax when people are having a dinner or lunch. Thirdly, because of the kitty structure, it can be knocked down in a very small package. And for the export business, actually there are over 700 pieces. This chair can be loaded in a 40 high cube container. For the domestic selling, I think the express fee will be lower. At last, I think the sales volume of last year was high because over 50 customers were buying this item. And also, I want to mention about the stitching and the colors. The most hot-selling stitching is the diamond. No matter the big diamond or the small diamond, they are all welcomed by their customers. And of course, the most hot-selling fabric is the velvet. And the most hot-selling color is green, gray, and black. So right now, after many times modifying on this product, we have a very mature production line. So if you want to place any order right now, you don't need to worry about the lead time and the quality. So if you are interested in this product, welcome to leave us a message. Next, top ranking chair Kronos was very popular in German and Russian markets. From the outlooks, it looks very luxury and good looking, especially with the velvet and golden legs. And the most hot-selling color is green and pink together with golden chrome legs, which is very popular in German market. And when we go to Russian market, most of customers would like to choose black legs together with the velvet. In last year, we got sales volume of 37,000 pieces. After a long selling, we found it more possibility with more stitching and fabric. That's why you can see right now on the screen, we have launched more diamond stitching and light stitching together with vintage microfiber, and also it is a cost-efficient chair. If you would like to expand more possibility in your market, welcome to leave your inquiry on this chair. Next chair I would like to introduce is the chair Joyce. This small dining chair is very popular in Germany and France. The most hot-selling stitching include square stitching and the diamond stitching, and these two can provide you a very plump feeling on this chair. And also the edge of the seat goes down to the floor, so which can improve the comfort of this one. The most hot-selling fabric includes the linen and the velvet, especially the linen fabric 1X066, which is quite cheap, can provide customers better price. And also for the velvet with the square stitching can provide more color to your life. The loadability for this chair is also very good. Over 800 in a 40 high cube container is very good for export business. And also if you would like to more stitching, like non-stitching on this chair, can also be available. So right now you can see some pictures of different stitching and the velvet. Next top ranking denim chair, Indiana, was very popular in East Europe and Russia, especially with the velvet in blue, gray, and black, together with the black legs. Velvet feels very soft and it looks nicer together with the tufted stitching. I think most of customers in Poland and Russia found that this kind of stitching was very popular in last year. That's why more and more customers and the people would like to choose this. I think this kind of modern version of Chesterfield looks more elegant. After a period of time of selling, we found a new fabric, microfiber. Looks also nice on tufted stitching. And secondly, I think as an armchair, it has a very reasonable price and a good loadability. So that's why we got a sales volume of 24,000 pieces in last year. So if you want to expand your business with this kind of very elegant dining chair, welcome to leave us a message. The next top ranking dining chair I'm talking about is Carmel. It has a sales volume of 15,000 pieces in last year. And also the most hot-selling fabric is microfiber in MF. So that's what you can see on the picture. Also the most hot-selling stitching is the vertical line. And this one is very popular in British and Israel. I think the simple and modern design satisfies most customers' demands. People will feel very comfortable when they are sitting on it because of the nice shape of the backrest. For the loadability, 920 pieces in one 40 high cube is a very good volume for export. So that's why most of customers would like to choose this one. And also for British customers, they would like to choose a very high back. That's also one advantage for this chair. If you are interested in this chair, welcome to leave a message below. Next dining chair I would like to introduce is Mellow. I think the nice stitching simple outlook together with the thin leg was very popular in Northern European countries. The popular fabric includes linen and velvet, especially TRF in blue and gray, as you can see on the screen right now. And also the gray velvet is also popular in the UK. And after a period of selling, we found it also looks nice with the diamond stitching on the back. So that's why we tried more fabric like PU and microfiber. And secondly, I think as an armchair, the price is also reasonable. That's why it can target more customers. So if you're interested in this simple dining chair and would like to see more possibility in this one, welcome to leave your questions. The next dining chair I would like to introduce is a traditional British style dining chair. Its high back is a traditional feature for British style, and it can fully support your back, so which can make you feel very relaxed when you are sitting on it. And the most hot-selling stitching include V stitching, diamond stitching, the vertical line stitching, and the non-stitching. So as you can see on the picture, also we combine different fabric with the stitchings. For example, the most hot-selling include PU and microfiber. For export business, it has a very good number for loadability as well. If you pack 2 pieces in one carton, it has 900 pieces in 40 high cube container. So if you would like to choose 4 pieces packed in one carton, there are around 700 pieces can load it into a 40 high cube container. So I think this is a very good item for a British market. If you're interested in this chair, welcome to contact us. Next chair I would like to introduce is a bar stool Malibu. The sales volume in last year is 13,000 pieces. It sold very well in European countries, especially in UK and Germany. Also, it is a very good item for e-commerce business, especially one of our largest customers bought over 10,000 pieces in last year for their online stores. And also the enclosed back shape. The enclosed backrest and good price attracts more customers and make it more popular among our customers. The chair is covered by velvet, which can provide a very good feeling. The color ranges from blue, black to red, yellow, so you could choose the color according to your preference. So if you would like to choose a comfortable bar stool, welcome to leave us a message. No matter the bright color or dark color, welcome to choose the one according to your preference. Thank you for being with us for today's live event. That will be all for today's topic, the rank of the dining chair and bar stool of the fiscal year 2020 to 2021. There will be more exciting products in the upcoming year. So if you would like to keep in touch, don't forget to mark your calendar. Follow us on every Tuesday. I will see you next time. Goodbye.